All right, we here. Oh my gosh, so I was supposed to have, first of all, Jesse was checking in first, and they gave him a room. He's like, oh yeah. He's telling directions to the room, and he's like, oh yeah, you just go right down here, and you're gonna take a left, and it's right there on the left. And then he goes to say my room directions, pulls out a map. Okay, you're gonna go up the stairs, you're gonna take a right, you're gonna go all the way down to the very end of the building, blah, 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 blah. And I'm sitting there thinking, oh man, I got the bad room. Then the amazing manager, and so she goes, oh yeah, I have this awesome one like right there with access to the bocce ball court. Oh my God, what's it called? It's not bocce. Damn. Croquet. Croquet. It's croquet. Easy access to outside where we'll be shooting, so really cool. And I get to stay here because Jesse's awesome and was like, yo Pete, you can have it. And I was like, I'm not gonna fight you on it. So I get this whole thing to myself. For tonight, I'll share tomorrow. Let's check it out. Alright, gotta show off the drip, not the hair, the style. Alright, time to go breakfast. Let's go. This carpet is gonna trip me out every time that I walk on it. And we were taking the tour and I looked at the lady and I'm like, oh my gosh, what trippy carpet. And she goes, yeah, it's just like The Shining. And I was like, oh my god, that's exactly what I'm thinking. Guy was cool enough to pull up some chairs for us. I was like, can I sit on the fire? He's like, no one's really asked to do that, but he's like, screw it, nobody's here. We got the coolest waiter, Anthony. He just brought this little table for us too.
It's a vlog.
It's a vlog. You gotta do the dance.
It's a vlog.
Yeah, 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 fire. Oh great, this makes my legs lift. Thank you, Kulani. This is Parker, the resident cat.
I know, me too. Guinea pig.
I'm not a guinea pig.
Adi,
I'll get you sitting where you are and then stand
Can we do the double shot really quick?
Like off?
Yeah, a little off smell.
Shooting doubles. Addy just got here. We've done 3 looks with Madi so far. And we shot the pool. We only have a few of the locations until 10 a.m. So we're trying to crank through the pool, the lemonade stand, and there was something else.
We've done the pool, we've done both pools. We're at the lemonade stand, we've done the front. We're just trying to whip through
Look at
it.
that fucking shot. Oops, sorry, I shouldn't swear.
We are back in the room for a hot second, doing a quick break while Addy has breakfast. What else is going on?
I'm gonna shoot through like Addy's legs like this, and you're gonna be back there like this. Go back.
I looked up what macadamia nuts look like after we left Hawaii, and it wasn't a macadamia nut.
Shut
I
up.
was like, what is this?
I swear it was. What was it?
I don't know. I couldn't find it.
A little bit more less in the middle.
It's all okay, 'cause you never feel this way.
2, 1, hit it.
Wait, I need some momentum. Go again. I'm trying.
This is good video. It's okay.
Keep going, just keep going. Wait.
You're gonna get it.
Can you give me a push? So Madi has a little bit over half an hour left, just a little bit. So by the time we get back to the room, it'll be half an hour because this place is massive. Been lost in here many times today. She has her last look, and then we're going to do a little double shot by the pool, hopefully. And then we've got Adison for another hour. Then we'll finish out the day with some lobster macaroni. Hey!
Yeah. That's a wrap!
Wrap!
Now it's time to grab some lunch.
Cheers, guys!
Another great shoot.
That's a wrap! Cheers!
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. Until next time.